Due to the coronavirus outbreak in the Hubei province of Mainland China, shares of U.S.-listed casino operators with assets in Macau have been under significant pressure since early last week, on average trading down over 10% from recent highs. The outbreak comes at a critical time for the companies, the Chinese New Year Golden Week, typically a period when visitors from across the mainland flock to Macau's resorts. This year, due to mandated and self-imposed travel restrictions, visitation during the first 4 days of the Golden Week is down nearly 70%. Moreover, Macau's chief executive has said that if the situation continues to worsen, the casinos could be forced to suspend operations. As a rule of thumb for thinking about this and the potential impact here, we estimate that for every day closed, each property could produce a $1 million EBITDA loss. Once the outbreak is contained, we believe that operators focused on the VIP and premium mass segments such as Wynn, Melco, and MGM will be better able to recuperate pent-up demand relative to base mass-oriented operators such as Sands, given hotel room constraints and more flexible travel schedules of affluent consumers. More difficult to quantify is the effect an outbreak-related slowdown of the Chinese economy could have on gaming revenues later this year. In terms of the potential impact on Las Vegas resorts, they too typically see a pickup in Asian tourism during the Chinese New Year. But note that China and Hong Kong comprise just over 0.5% of Las Vegas's annual visitors. While relatively small in terms of the number of visitors, many of these patrons are VIP guests, and thus, historically, we have seen baccarat comprise up to 20 to 25% of the Strip's gross gaming revenue during the January-February timeframe, although not all of this business comes from Greater China. That said, 2019 Strip baccarat revenues during the first quarter were down 22% versus 2018 due to trade tensions, low hold, and the Super Bowl timing. Thus, the comparison is relatively easy. In terms of exposure, Wynn and Las Vegas Sands' overall mix of Strip revenue is more heavily weighted toward this segment relative to MGM and Caesars. We see the potential spread of coronavirus to Las Vegas as the key risk for the market's casinos, as the town gears up for an important event schedule that includes the ConAg trade show in mid-March and the NFL draft in late April. We are looking forward to the commentary from these companies' fourth quarter conference calls for more insight into how these dynamics are affecting the businesses, beginning with Las Vegas Sands' call tomorrow after the market close.